Biggest nightmares no one wants to wake up to is you wake up one day and your car looks just like that. Someone has stolen your number plates. Maybe they jumped over your fence, stolen them, or they've fallen off while you are driving, or you've gotten into an accident and you've lost your number plates. So what do you do about that? What you do as the owner of the car, you log into your portal in the URA website, you log into your TIN, and then you initiate the application for new number plates. And before you do that, you have to make sure that you get a letter from police, and then you also advertise in the newspapers so that just in case someone has your plates, they can give them to you or to the nearest police station. You attach all that information onto your application form. The fee for that is 49,000 that you submit to the Ministry of Works, and after the payment you have to also pay 137,000 for acquiring new plates, because the plates are given out indoors, and after all that then you get back your same new plates for your car.
Uganda Revenue Authority, developing Uganda together.